Hey guys, Mark from the Speedy Sebbies here, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Our mission is to explore South Africa on our beautiful Triumph Tiger adventure bike and showcase some amazing rides and venues along the way. We believe in shining a spotlight on small businesses and using the power of social media to help them gain the recognition and support they deserve. Our goal is to not only enjoy this incredible country, but also to make a positive impact on the local economy. Unfortunately, our trusty motorcycle is out of commission due to a serious breakdown and is currently undergoing an engine rebuild. However, that won't stop us from highlighting some amazing venues a little closer to home. Let's start with the restaurant at the Zoo Lake Bowling Club. Located in the heart of Joburg, the Zoo Lake Bowling Club offers great value, good food, and a beautiful setting. Whether you're looking for a quick bite or a leisurely meal with friends, this place has it all. With a range of delicious dishes on offer and a cozy atmosphere, it's the perfect spot to unwind and enjoy some downtime. I must say I'm thoroughly impressed with this hidden gem. The food is top-notch, the service is friendly, and the atmosphere is unbeatable. It's definitely a must-visit if you're in the area. While we wait for our trusty motorcycle to be fixed, we'll be exploring more amazing venues like this one right here in Joburg. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and clobber the notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest adventures. As always, thanks for watching, stay free, and keep riding.